Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the knocking in petrol engine. The production of shock waves in an IC engine has a result of an explosive combustion of fuel and air mixture, consequent to an increase in the compression ratio beyond a certain value, leading to a ractic sound. The ractic sound is produced due to production of shock waves in the IC engine as a result of explosive combustion of fuel and air mixture, that we are going to call it as a knocking. In a internal combustion engine, a mixture of gasoline vapor and air used as a fuel. After initiation of the reaction by spark in the cylinder, the flame should spread rapidly and smoothly through the gaseous mixture. Thereby, expanding gas drives the piston down. The power output and efficiency of the IC engine is depend on compression ratio. The compression ratio is defined as it is the ratio of volume of a cylinder at the end of suction stroke to the volume of the cylinder at the end of compression stroke. Here, compression ratio must be higher. Because of that, volume of cylinder at the end of the suction stroke must be higher than volume of cylinder at the end of the compression stroke. Under ideal condition, initially fuel and air mixture is drawn into the cylinder. Then this mixture is pressurized. After the initial sparking, the flame is produced and it will smoothly burns. Then whatever the combustion products are there, they will release it out to exhaust output. In the first stage, fuel and air mixture is drawn to the cylinder. Then fuel and air mixture is compressed. After the compression, here spark is produced. When the spark is produced, fuel and air mixture catches the fire. They will start the burn slowly. The flame speed must be smooth, and it has to propagate optimum speed. Then whatever the gases are created due to the combustion of fuel and air mixture, those gaseous products drive the piston downward direction, and at the final stage the exhaust combustion of products are expelled out through the exhaust. In the normal condition, if the ethane is a fuel, then this ethane and fuel mixture is oxygen mixture is drawn into the cylinder and it will undergo combustion. It will directly produce the carbon dioxide and water in the normal condition. Under the knocking condition, that means explosive combustion, that time it happens due to the deposition of carbon on the walls of cylinder. The hydrocarbon in the petrol forms the peroxides. Under the knocking condition, due to the deposition of carbon inside the cylinder at the higher temperature, this methane is going to combine with the oxygen and it is going to produce the dimethyl peroxide. This dimethyl peroxide is undergo decomposition. It will produce the acetaldehyde and water, and this acetaldehyde again undergo oxidation and it is going to produce the formaldehyde. Then this formaldehyde again undergo oxidation. It will produce the carbon dioxide and water. It will involve a different step. They are explosive reactions. Therefore, due to these explosive reactions, here higher the shock waves generated, and those shock waves are going to hit to the wall of the cylinder and they are going to create the ractic sound. Here, first dimethyl peroxide is formed due to the deposition of carbon inside the wall of cylinder at the higher temperature. This dimethyl peroxide is again decomposes in order to give the acetaldehyde, and this acetaldehyde is going to undergoing the oxidation with oxygen and it is going to give rise to formaldehyde. And this formaldehyde again undergo oxidation, that means combustion. It is going to give rise to carbon dioxide and water. It involves the multi steps which are going to explosive reactions, and they are going to generate the shock waves, and those shock waves are going to hit the wall of cylinder and they are going to create the ractic sound, and that ractic sound, production of ractic sound is called knocking of the IC engine. Here in the knocking condition, these two animated figures are showing the clear knocking process. In the normal condition, piston moves and compress the fuel. At that time only spark will take place and combustion will take place. But in the low speed piston ignition, when the fuel and air mixture is compressed, before that only the spark will be generated due to the explosive combustion of those formation of acetaldehyde, dimethyl peroxides. Therefore, before the ignition point here, fuel and air mixture is ignited. Because of that, excessive pressure and resistance is created, and it is going to form the shock waves inside the IC engine, and it is going to produce the ractic sound. The effect of knocking. Carbon deposits on linear and combustion chamber. Because of ractic, the mechanical damage may take place in the inside the engine. It will create the noise pollution, and it will also decrease the power output and efficiency of IC engine. Prevention of the knocking. The use of fuel with high octane rating, which increases the combustion temperature of the fuel and reduces the proclivity to detonate, reducing the load on the engine, retarding the ignition timing, and use anti-knocking agent. By using all these methods, we can reduce the prevention of knocking. Now we are going to discuss about the anti-knocking agent. This anti-knocking agent reduces the knocking of in IC engine. Anti-knocking is a chemical substance which is added to the petrol to improve the anti-knocking property of the petrol. For example, tetraethyl lead (TEL). The addition of TEL to the petrol increases the octane number of petrol. The TEL is normally used along with ethylene dibromide or ethylene dichloride. The leaded petrol. The anti-knock properties of gasoline can be improved by the addition of suitable additives. Tetraethyl lead, tetramethyl lead, or mixed ethyl methyl lead are important additive added to the petrol. Among tetraethyl lead is widely used since it is cheap and effective increase the octane number of that petrol. The petrol containing leaded compounds is called lead petrol. TEL reduces the knocking tendency of hydrocarbons. Knocking follows the free radical mechanism leading to the chain growth, which results in an explosion. If the chain are terminated before their growth, then the knocking will be ceased. DEL decomposes thermally in the inside the IC engine due to the higher temperature. It will form the ethyl free radicals. That ethyl free radical will combine with the growing free radicals, which are going to form the knocking process and prevent the chain growth, which is prevent the production of shock waves. Once the chain growth of free radical is prevented, then we are going to prevent the knocking of petrol engine. Disadvantage of this TEL. Leaded petrol is used as a fuel in the IC engine. TEL converted into lead oxide and metallic lead, and this lead deposit on the spark plug and on a cylinder walls, which is harmful to engine life. To avoid use, small amount of ethylene dibromide dichloride is added along with the TEL. This ethylene dibromide and dichloride react with Pb and PbO, that is lead and lead oxide, to give the volatile lead bromide and volatile lead chloride, which goes out along with exhaust gases. So that we are going to, along with the exhaust gases, we are going to add the lead containing gases into the environment. It is one of the disadvantage of using of TEL as an anti-knocking agent in the IC engine. Unleaded petrol. We know that TEL contain lead, which releases the lead bromide and lead chloride into the atmosphere through automobile exhaust. This results the air pollution by the lead. The unleaded petrol is the petrol which free from the lead compound used as an anti-knocking agent. Unleaded petrol prepared for the because of if you use the TEL in the along with the petrol, it will generate the lead bromide and lead chloride. They are exhaust to the atmosphere and they will create the air pollution. Here we are going to, in order to increase the octane number of the fuel, we are going to use the isopentane, isooctane, methyl tertiary butyl ether, that is MTBE, and ethyl tertiary butyl ether are used as an anti-knocking agent. In addition to methyl tertiary butyl ether is prepared. This compound provides the oxygen in ether group. This is the methyl tertiary butyl ether, which is having the oxygen ether group in this molecule. So it will increase the anti-knocking properties of the engine, and it is entirely free from the lead, so that automobile exhaust are free from the lead containing gases, so that it will reduces the air pollution.